I trust him, but I don't trust him because I know that he is scammer. He told me that he have a package, a jewelry, a cell phone, a necklace, many jewelries. They do a video. They do a video. I sent me in my gym email, and he told me that mm, I will send you package. The the gap inside the package is this: watch, cell phone, mobile phone. Excuse me. A jewelry, a money inside the box, inside the package from him, and I don't believe that. I really don't believe. And he said that he is a seaman. Mm, a seaman, seashore worker.